Hello everyone, how to tutorials back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable all the settings how to disable all the notification in KeyFriends application. So you can see this is the home page of KeyFriends. So what you need to do, you need to tap here the my page, simply tap here, and again tap here the right bottom corner on your screen, simply tap on that, and you can see app settings, simply tap on that, and notification settings, tap on that. So by default it's all the on, like message preview, chat notification, net followers, story comment, like notification, profile visit notification. So if you turn this off, everything you can disable, then other people you'll not get any notification from other people. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching the video.